Okay. You guys, that mom home care, please support for mom home care, okay? Yeah, then guys, just 5 minutes, Mia. I will add 5 minutes, then after I will end, guys, okay? Because I'm very sleepy, guys. I have work after 5 hours working time for me. Craft, hi, shout out to you, my friend Craft. How are you? Uh, Dula og 13 og girls. Mag napublic ko i-sign in na channel day karon. So, ano ko na ni nga? Ang saraman. 2, 4. Long naman good. Kapoy ko yung kuhan kasi ko na galing. I'm still here. Oh, life! You will not sleep! Kansya ko. Isa naman. Yummy. Yummy. Basi wata takabal wala. Yummy. Muhammad, hi! Brown Kitchen, Emir, I will share, ha? Do you have a Google map? Because I got lost while looking up in your eyes. Oh, wow. Wow. Ang sad ng tahanan eh. Brown Kitchen tips. I'm doing video host. You have, okay. But just only 5 minutes, Mia. I'm sleepy. Muhammad Razem. Shout out to you, Razem. Craft, my friend. Hello, Craft. Shout out to you, Craft. Guys, just 5 minutes, me guys, ha? Because I'm going to sleep, guys. It's already morning here in Saudi Arabia. 5:24 in the morning. Muhammad. I mute your video and still support you until finish. Okay, thank you so much. Shukran. Yeah, just 5 minutes me, okay? Then you will end na guys because I'm very sleepy, guys. We are struggle football. Sinukan mo. Roy. Kailas nimo. Kailas nimo. Guys, and this Mom Craft, please support for Mom Craft, guys, okay? If I did, you heard, I want to say bye. I wanted to say thank you for the support host. My friend, you're welcome, ha, for staying here. I will check now your channel if we are growing. Ando ko ay nasa Mom Craft, I'm here in your channel now. Guys, please support for Mom Craft also, guys, okay? Yeah, this is Mom Craft. Please support. And that Mom Home Care, guys, please support, okay? Yeah, I will end now, guys, okay? I want... Thank you, Dede.